Kia ora. Otago Polytechnic is now part of Te Pūkenga.
What's that then?
I'm glad you asked. Te Pūkenga is the New Zealand Institute of Skills and Technology. They're bringing all the institutes of technology and politics like this one together to form one national network.
But it kind of looks the same.
It is. Same buildings, same staff, same saucy rolls.
So what's changed?
Well, by bringing together on-the-job, on-campus and online learning, Te Pūkenga is creating a network that provides greater access to flexible, career-focused learning. It'll help our people, communities and workforces across Aotearoa to become even better.
What does this all mean for us, though?
Well, if you're currently studying at an Institute of Technology or Polytech, nothing changes for you. You'll continue to learn in the same way, at the same place, with the same people. And if you're thinking of coming to Te Pūkenga, whether you're learning for the first time, upskilling or retraining, we're here to talk with you about your options and what's best for you and your whānau. If you're an Institute of Technology or Polytech graduate and are wondering what this change means for that certificate your mum's so proud of, the answer's simple, nothing. Your qualification will continue to be recognised in Aotearoa and abroad. And for employers, everything's ka pai too. Te Pūkenga will be supporting you to address your skills and training requirements. We'll help you deliver learning in a way that best suits your needs and learners' lifestyles. So same, but better for learners, their whānau and employers. Te Pūkenga is the future of career-focused learning in Aotearoa.
So come be a part of it!
We'll keep the saucy rolls warm.